Okay, you do your thing. You do your thing, little buddy. Oh my gosh. So, me and the wife just out here trying to get some stuff going, trying to make a little extra side money. You know, like I said, this did come from the auction, and after I worked at the scrapyard for some time, I know what these boxes weigh, and this one in particular has been stepped on. So I tried squishing this down some. This box will not squish at all. Somebody was in here jumping like crazy on this. Here, can you... Pence, go in the house. Go in the house, baby. Nice little coil. Go on a drum. Ooh-wee. All right. More nice coils. Look at that pile grow. Look at that pile grow. Okay. We get drum. Let's see what's going on here. Pensy, go in the house. Go on.
You want this in the short bin?
No, throw that in the drum. That's not the short bin. That's the small mini coils. This is the shorties. Pence, go in the house. I don't even see where she went. Okay, we're getting to this big puppy. So the wife doesn't know what at all is in this box. She can't see nothing. So there's a nice surprise for you. Here you go. How do you like that, babes? Look at all this nice wire.
I like it more when you have money back.
That's pretty. Oh, that's pretty too. All right, more tangledness. Tangly, tangly, tangly stuff.
Get that little green one out of there. That little green one. And that pile you just had was a nice little quarter.
Here, that can go on the pallet. Maybe that one can go on the pallet. That won't take long to undo and get in the stripper. Ooh, it's another nice meaty little chunk. Okay, it's got one band of tape on it. That'll be good pretty quick. All right, another little coil. This stuff just keeps adding up and adding up and adding up. Oh, this I do not want to deal with this yet. No, go ahead, put it on the pallet. We gotta you want to move that black one, and we'll start putting like a couple of smaller ones that aren't going to get caught up in the pallet jack. I'll let you know which ones we can slide over. Like, I haven't found any serious.
I would put that one in the barrel for
You want it in the barrel?
Yeah,
It goes in the barrel.
there's a bit of tape on there.
See,
Light again.
yeah, that never shuts off by itself. Holy smokes. Wow. That's better. Hopefully that light ain't blinding everybody. That's no fun. I'm trying. I'm still learning with the camera.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's a tangled one. I'm trying to get some of this cut down now. It'll be easier later.
You almost got me.
Sorry. You gotta watch your eyeballs. Another nice piece. I think this is 10. Is that 10? Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? No, 8 gauge. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right. I don't know, what is that?
I taped a bunch.
All right, put that in this bucket here, because that's not too messy. Careful, that's kind of heavy. Oh, there's some good wire mixed in that bundle there. Go ahead and start taking that to the drum. I'm gonna try and get more of this fed out of here instead of cutting it. Okay, not too shabby. Nice little baby coil. That's gonna go in the drum.
You want this in this bucket?
Huh?
You want this on this bucket?
Yeah. All right, well that's solid, but with how twisted up that is. Okay. Trying to here, hold all out. All I gotta do is cut this pain in the butt blue wire right here.
Maybe.
Well, it'll come out. It's just give me a hard time. That's all. Okay, that one's loose. Shit. All right. What we got here? Like some more 2 8s and a 10. Not too shabby. All that stuff I'm putting on the pallet itself, all that stuff's getting stripped first. Little piece of aluminum, that's okay. No biggie. No biggie. Nice tangled up bunch. All right. This is kind of tangled a little bit, but as we go to strip it, let's just nip that little piece off and we'll get that down there. If I have to cut it down while we're running it through the machine, then that's what we will do. There's a little bunch of solid wire. It's all bent and twisted up. So, oh, you got out here.
No, it's not.
Yeah. This one is kind of mangled, but it's all together. It's not causing me a problem. Here, I put this on the other side.
Oh, just a second.
You get out of here.
I just want to give you a little.
I'm curious to see what the end of this wire looks like. I want to say that's going to be three stranded, I think. Yeah, it's going to be 3 stranded, which is okay, because that all feels like really good wire. Oh yeah. Look at this puppy. Ooh-wee. That's nice. That's real nice.
And this on the pallet too?
Yeah.
Let's not see what's going on with you.
Oh, I know you did one. There's some good wire in here. I'm curious what's gonna happen when we get even further down. What is? Okay, that's just another good piece.
Here, I got some good little ones for you.
Oh, that's perfect. Nice little compact roll. Not causing no trouble, not hurting nobody.
There's a little prize if you want to show the people.
Prize.
That one right there.
Oh, far out. Oh, that was just laying right in the box. How about that? That one needs its own special place. Nice little bit of very bright, shiny copper wire. All right. Oops. All right. I need you to.
I will. I'm getting down right now.
What is? I'm really curious to see what the heck is this? It just keeps going and going and going. It looks like an extension. Yeah, a lamp cord is very, very good description, but it's like 10 times the size. Trying to see. That's probably 12 gauge wire in there. That's not so bad at all. Nope, this is all going in the drum. Look at this slab. Just a flat slab.
Don't want to lose that.
Duck.